Bhigwan, a vast expanse of wetlands and undulating hills, a paradise for birders during the monsoon. During the lockdown, the local guides started exploring the area and they discovered a treasure trove of a one of a kind gem. So stay with us because this video will be more interesting. After finishing the birding of Panchagni and Satswat, our car rushed towards Bhigwan. Since we did not get the wolves and hyenas in Satswat, we started our journey as early as possible so can spend more time to search those gems and some beautiful birds too. After a journey of around 4 hours, we arrived at Bhigwan. Kranti Flamingo Point is where we will be staying for the next 3 days. Amol Kale informed us that the local trackers had spotted a hyena at a spot yesterday morning. We will head there first. It's worth mentioning that hyena sightings are not regular during the monsoons. The reason being, the areas where they reside during winters get flooded during the monsoons. From today, our guide is Rahul Kale, Amol's elder brother. We bonded with him pretty quickly after spending few minutes together. After entering the sanctuary, the first welcome we got from a cute and beautiful animal, the Bengal fox. In one glance, its cuteness won our hearts. Truly, love at first sight. Bengal fox endemic to the Indian subcontinent from the Himalayan foothills and Tarai of Nepal to southern India. It is relatively widespread in low rainfall areas where the vegetation is usually scrub, thorn or dry deciduous forest or short grasslands. The increase of human populations and the increased growth of grasslands for agriculture and industrial use, the habitat of the Bengal fox is continually being reduced. That's why sighting of a Bengal fox becomes rare these days. After this delightful meeting, our car sped off in search of hyena. The road was almost non-existent, to say the least. Everyone was almost dancing inside the car. On the way, we spotted an Acicrown sparrowlark, busy grooming itself on a pillar. Years ago, this could be seen in our Kolkata Radarat area as well. But thanks to relentless urbanization, they have disappeared from there. Next, we saw the red abadabat, the prince of Rajarhat. But seeing so many of them together was a first for us. However, our hearts were still set on spotting hyena. Despite through exploration, there was no sign of one. On our way, we encountered a white-breasted kingfisher, state bird of West Bengal, engrossed in feasting on a crab. Still chasing the elusive wolf, Rahul informed us that none of the other vehicles in the area had seen one today either. Our relentless search introduced us to various birds, like this pair of Indian cursor, busy preening themselves. The Indian cursor is a species of cursor found in mainland South Asia, mainly in the plains bounded by the Ganges and Indus river system. Like other cursors, it is a ground bird that can be found in small groups as they forage for insects in dry, open, semi-desert country. We also came across a chinkara, calmly gazing while curiously watching us. Yet, restlessness remained. Rahul kept driving around, searching. Suddenly, he shouted, "Wolf! Indian grey wolf." At last, we found our long awaited majestic guest, resting near the edge of the grassland. His regal posture and piercing gaze set our hearts racing. Wolves, when alone, tend to be quite alert. Seeing us, he started moving. We followed him from a distance. At that moment, we didn't realize that one of the most beautiful sights of wildlife was waiting for us. Stepping into the road, he began howling to call his pack. A dreamlike scene for any wildlife lover.
और उल्फ है और उल्फ क्या हम लेवर सकते
After a while, his pack joined him, and together they disappeared into the wilderness, leaving us with memories of a lifetime. As dusk fell, it was time to end our day. Here are some stills from today. Hope you like them. If you enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. We would love to hear your feedback in comments to improve our work. Thank you for watching this video.